Welcome to my channel, guys. Trading Stock Lakshmi India. Before we proceed further, I just wanted to tell you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel because you will get the latest updates and the real facts that you don't want to miss in the stock trading, right? So, because I'm trying to find out a detailed research on the different facts and the realistic things that's happening around in the share market, so that every retail investor get the benefit of this. So in this view, I'm talking about information asymmetry, what's happening in the stock market. What exactly is this information asymmetry? I'll give you an example rather than giving the definition. When you go to purchase a second-hand car, all right? So at that point of time, before we proceed further, did you subscribe my channel? Please do that, all right? Okay. So when you go to purchase a second-hand car, the person who's selling you a car has knows about that particular car. He knows in and about it, how well that particular car is it in a good shape, or like how is it going to last you long, to the potential buyer who may be a second party who's trying to purchase. You are the second party buyer who's trying to purchase. You're not aware of the conditions because that guy, the sales guy, is already aware of, because he has the vehicles and he's driven it many times and he knows the facts. But you are lacking information, right? So you are not aware like how exactly that particular car is performing. You lack that particular information. That's because maybe the opposite party has not given you the right information, the private information about that particular car, right? So maybe dude, that's because that's the inadequate information that he's given you, right? So in simple terms, this is what the information asymmetry is about. In different terms, the meanings are different. So I was just trying to showcase in terms of the share market today, so how this is linked. All right. So just an example, Entertainment Enterprises, everybody knows about it, right? So recently it was with the merger with Sony. So on 14th of September, just look here, one of the big bulls, he got almost 50 lakh shares at the cost of 220 rupees. And on 22nd, just look here, on 21st, Z-Board gives in principal nod to have a merger with Sony. And on 22nd, they sign a binding contract, an agreement. And immediately after that, the stock rose to the current market price of, even you must be aware, like it's almost trading at 370 rupees, 317 rupees. But immediately the stock, I mean, it skyrocketed to almost 80 rupees, trading above 300. Why did that happen? Did you ever think? This is what happens, guys. You are already late. 80 rupees. It was trading at 220 rupees, and 80 rupees, like just zoom, it went up, right? So that's what you're lagging. You're lagging the information. What information is already available, right? So, or could be a rumor, or it might be that because there is a lack of information, any of the reason that could be. But are you, how well prepared are you before investing? Have you ever thought about it, right? So please think about this. Always stay updated with the facts, and so that doesn't give you into a situation when already it's on a bull run and you're running behind and you end up being the loser, right? So don't be a part the before PT Usha runs, you make a move, right? So yeah, that's how you win a marathon. Not before like it's given a signal, right? So not before the gunshot is done, before any marathon. So don't do that. But yeah, it's always good to have your facts checked so that you stay on the safer side. Okay. So I'll be coming up with one of the video with regards to penny stocks, how retail investors are driving the penny stock. Very soon I'll be updating, and you can also check one of my video with regards to one of the company, which is Lux Health Services, how operators are driving the share market. So you will get all the updates on that, so that you can be aware of the facts, you can be aware of the crisis that's going to come your way, And I don't want retail investor to be a losers. I want you guys to be winners, right? So yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel again. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Take care, guys.